Right, I've just come up from the deep south to Palmerston North here at Hamatangi Beach, and caught up with my brother, my son, so we're going to try a bit of drone fishing. He's been going on about his drone for a while, so we're going to test that out. And my son's got a Maverick, so we're going to put that drone following the fishing drone just to get some footage to see how it turns out. So yeah, had a bit of a laugh last night. We had got it out for a while, so we had the drone on the coffee table, and he said, oh, we'll just see if it goes, and we'll give it a bit of a hover in the lounge. And I seen the drone when it started going this way, and he let it rip, just to hover it, flew off the coffee table and cut his legs up. So see if he's any better today. We'll go to a test run before we put it out to sea. So hopefully we don't lose anything, because there'll probably be about 5 to 7 grand's worth of gear flying around. So let's get into it. Right, we're going to give the old drone a bit of a test run first before we hook up all the rod and line to it, so it can handle about 4 traces on it. And it is a bit breezy today, so we're not too sure how we're going to get on. And there's the Maverick. We're going to do a bit of scenic footage with that. I'll give that a test run too. So what do you reckon, Jared? It's too windy, or it might be alright? Card in it. It looks like all the test flights are going sweet as, so we'll start baiting up and see if we can get your fish. Wait, bird's nest. Oh fuck, really? Sure. Right, that didn't happen as good as it should have, but we didn't have the drag on this thing and it started bird's nesting, and we got it out, I don't know, about 700 metres, so that's alright for the first attempt. So we didn't get the other drone up because Jared was trying to help me untangle it while the drone was still flying. So we'll see how we get on. Hopefully we get a couple of girded. Leave it out for about 20-30 minutes. Yeah, So like I was saying before, the old drag wasn't set properly and I was trying to slow it down with my thumb and it started to burn, so that wasn't good. So we figured out to put the drag on, but the wind was pushing the drone a bit and then it still a little bit come back and bird's nest, so we got it out pretty good distance. What do you reckon, about 700, 900 metres?
900.
Yeah, about 900, so we didn't get the other drone up to actually film it all, but yeah, and we have only got one battery for this fishing drone because the other one, a couple of months ago, it started to swell in it for some reason and it's no good. So yeah, you usually get about 2 or 3 drops per battery, but we had it hovering while we're trying to untangle it, so we probably only get this one drop, and we'll see how we go anyway. So Jared's going to get his other drone up and just do some bit of footage. He's got 3 batteries for that thing, so yeah, get a couple of hours or an hour or so worth of flyer time. So yeah, snapper, cooling for tea. Good fun, good little toy to have anyway. Check out how warm this water is compared to the old deep south. Oh my god, that's like a swimming pool. It's like a swimming pool. Yeah. Jeez, you don't know how lucky you are up in the North Island. We're still down there in semi-winter clothes. Oh yeah, that's just amazing. Right, it's been half an hour, 3/4 an hour, so we're going to start pulling it in. Can't really tell if there's anything on it that far out, so. And then I'll pass this phone over to young Jared. There's his phone's flat, and I've got the DJ core back on my phone, so you can use this phone to start filming.